Greeting, this is Mark Bro. We're going to be looking at how we can move assignment from the stream page in Google Classroom. So I'm going to be guiding you through that particular process. The first thing that you wanted to do is to bring up the internet browser. And by bringing up the internet browser, we can either type in up here, or we can come right here, this 9 dot right here. Take time, scroll up, and then we're going to click right here on the classroom. Here. And when you click it on the classroom, it takes us to this particular page here. So I'm going to select the classroom. Here, I'm going to select a classroom. So when I select a classroom, you will see exactly what takes place. There you go. This itself is the stream page. Let me scroll up. Itself is the stream page. So what I wanted to do is to remove this assignment here. How I'm going to move this assignment from the stream page? I'm going to come all the way to my right where the three look at that is. I'm going to click. When I click, if you notice, move up, edit, delete, and copy link. So I want to delete it by clicking the delete. You notice right up here. So delete announcement is a comment will also delete. So anything associated to that particular one will also delete. So you click it like that. And notice it's no longer there. That's exactly all you do to get rid of an announcement. Alright, so if you notice this next one now is a welcome to class. It's also another announcement. You do the same thing like that. You click. And that's how you get rid of the announcement on the stream page. So if and when you're actually trying, you don't know how to get rid of it. So this exactly is the way it actually done. So if this video has helped you, just write a comment on how the video helped you and share it. And thanks for watching.